What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cards by Chris. I'm Chris. Today we got this month's RC Explosion box. We got 5 packs with potential rookie cards from the past few years. I get one of these boxes every month, so we're going to open them up. What do we got? 5 packs? No, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We should have 7 different packs. A lot of different great rookies from the past 7 years or so. I get one of these every month. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Crush that like button. We got a ton of great stuff coming up on Cards by Chris. We got Bowman blasters. We got vintage packs. I still have this jumbo box of Series 2 I want to open up. Get some awesome autos and relics. So definitely check that out. So we got this really cool RC Explosion box. So let's get ripping. Got some peanuts in it. Open it upside down. Clear the deck a little bit. All right. So what do we have here? We have 2013 Bowman. This is a bonus pack. 2013 Bowman, 2015 Bowman, 2018 Top Series 2. I'll go through the rookies. 2018 Update, 2019 Heritage High Number, 2021 Bowman, 2022 Bowman, and 2022 Top Series 2. So we'll go in reverse order. Topps 2022 Series 2. You guys have seen me open this already. If you're an avid fan of the channel, Carlos Carrasco, Cookie, Joey Bart, Future Stars. All right, we got a Paul Goldschmidt, 1987 All-Star, Benintendi, Alejandro Kirk having a great year, and Brad Miller. So not anything really at all there. No even special inserts or color. So Top Series 2, 2022, pretty much a dud. Next, Bowman 2022. We got, you got Cleo Watson, you got Ellie De La Cruz. We got a ton of great stuff in here. 2022 Bowman, there's Lindor, Paper, Gallo, Altuve, Blackman. There is a Bowman 3D Austin Martin. I think last month we got a Jason Dominguez refractor out of that. Nick Prado, Top 100. Robert Hassel. Jordan Lawler. There's a Junior Sanchez first Bowman paper to $2.99. That's pretty cool. Shortstop prospect there's a Junior Sanchez regular chrome and a Bobby Witt Jr. So a couple of decent cards out of this pack. Next up, 2021 Bowman, Austin Martin, Hedbert Perez, Cespedes' brother. There's a Pete Alonso, Beast, Manny Machado, Hate You. Should have struck out last night. So here we go. We got Talent Pipeline, Nolan Gorman, Connor Capel, and Elysius Montero. There's an Adley throwback Bowman. Pretty nice card. Adley Rushman's a beast. Antonio Gomez, first Bowman. And that's just about it. All right, what do we got next? We got 2019 Topps Heritage High Number. Tatis, Guerrero, Austin Riley, Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez. Bunch of rookie cards here. Michael Chavis, rookie. Brian McCann, since retired. There's a Pete Alonso rookie. Boom, right there. Pete Alonso rookie. Topps Heritage High Number. We're going to sleeve that up right here, right now. Where are my penny sleeves? That's not only a great card, but it's a great PC hit as well. Pistol Pete's my boy. Pete Alonso rookie. So rookie card explosion paying off so far. Next up, as we step up a little bit, 2018 Topps Update Retail. This has got the Soto and Ohtani rookies in there. That would be sweet. A nice Juan Soto rookie right before he comes to the Mets. Wishful thinking. Ryder Jones, Andrew Suarez, Matt Duffy, Sean Manaea no-hitter, Roberto Osuna, Giancarlo Stanton game changer, Dustin Fowler rookie, Lou Brock postseason prominence insert, Jeffrey Marte, and Tyler Chatwood. So no Soto or Ohtani rookies. That's a little disappointing, but it's one pack. What are you going to do? That's the fun. Now we got 2018 Topps Series 2. This is the Acuna rookie. I believe this is short print. This is a really cool card if we can get it. Swaza Jr. just retired. Jose Martinez. There's a David Wright card. Legendary long balls. Chris Davis. Danny Santana. Travis Wood. Trevor Bauer. See you later. And Didi Gregorius. So no Acuna rookie. A little disappointing. All right, now let's get into the extra. So we got here a 2015 Bowman Jumbo. Your rookie cards here are Rafael Devers, Ozzie Albies, Carlos Rondon. Look, they got Rusney Castillo right on the pack. Talk about guys who flamed out. All right, 2015 Bowman. Josh Hamilton, Dominic Brown. Well, remember these guys? Jose Abreu, R.A. Dickey, Corey Klubat, Daniel Carino, Marcell Ozuna. All right, now we get into some chrome. Rafael Devers, chrome. That is nice. Rafael Devers. It's not his first Bowman, but I guess there's an auto in here. So Rafael Devers, chrome. Matt Andriese, first Bowman. Jake Bauers, first Bowman. Jarlin Garcia, first Bowman. So we didn't really hit on any of the first Bowmans. I think the rest is all paper. Aaron Nola. Colin Moran. Let's see, Wes Parsons, first Bowman. Oh, we got some more chrome here. We got a Corey Spangenberg rookie paper. Francisco Lindor, top 100 prospects. I guess he was a prospect back in 2015. That's pretty nice for the PC. Conrad Gregor, first Bowman. Tim Cooley. Tim Get One in the Cooley. Adam Wainwright. Bryce Harper. Yan Gomes. So not exactly, got the nice Lindor, we got the Devers, but no auto. All right, last but not least, we have a 2013 Bowman. And I don't think, let me see, if it's listed here, what the bonus pack is. So I don't even know who the first Bowmans are for this, so we're about to find out. '13 Bowman, Chase Headley, Andrew McCutchen, Brandon Belt, Patrick Cleveland, Heineman. Oh, we got a gold. Brett Lowry, Bowman Gold. Top prospects, number 16, Christian Yelich. Is that a refractor? I can't tell if that is like a blue refractor. We got a Lucas Giolito Bowman Chrome and a Kuroda. So a little bit of a strikeout. We got awesome. Our best card is probably this Pete Alonso rookie from Topps Heritage High Number, 519. 2019. Really cool card. We got an Adley. We got this Junior Sanchez, first Bowman. Bobby Witt Jr. Rafael Devers, 2015 Bowman. So we got some cool cards, but we didn't really hit a home run with much. I got to figure out how to fix this thing. It keeps moving on me. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Remember, crush that like button. We got a lot of great stuff. Soon we're going to open up this pack of 1983 OPG. We got a ton of great stuff coming in at Cards by Chris. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next video.